There's a red fox in the orchard, I've been trying to see. And someday, little red fox, I wish you would see. I have been waiting for you to choose me, but perhaps I just waited a lifetime too long. Keep all the fine things, it's time for moving on. Keep all the fine things, it's time for moving on. Well, the whole town starts talking if they see you with me, so I hide you in the shadows of the tall old grove tree. But the birds in the birch trees are watching us too, so lay down beside me in the tall grass and dew. I can feel the world shaking, I can hear